All right, enough with the Valentine's music. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good. Oh, can you hear me? Yeah, okay. Just checking. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Thank you for tuning back in with Trading with David 305. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right. So, we had red folder news 8:30 a.m. while we were Uh, sleeping, or some of us were awake, but yeah, that should give some liquidity to the market. Good morning, good morning. Uh, let's see how that affected the market today. Mm-mm. Was this it right here? 7:35. What time was it up? Dory memory. 8:30. 8:30. Actually, barely any movement. Looks like it dipped down and ripped up actually. Super choppy. Oh my god. Look at this shit. Look at the NASDAQ. What the hell happened here? I think this was the run from yesterday, no? Yeah, this shit just popped. Yes. Went down, dipped, and completely went to the moon after I got off. Took a few longs. One long didn't work out. The second long worked out. The third long obviously worked out. Uh, that was this whole move right here. That was yesterday. Then after that move, it didn't fill completely the imbalance. Filled a lot of it. I knew it was gonna go up here, just didn't know when. And it is been super choppy on the 1 hour here. That's wild. ATR is at 22 currently. 22. Pretty high for pre-market. Pretty high. All right. Make sure you get your coffee. Make sure you get your coffee or whatever you drink in the morning. Uh, let's see. Trying to fix my two screens here. Yeah, everything looks like it wants to go up right now. So right now, it looks like it. 5 minute ES. ES is above VWAP and all the EMAs. EMAs are the moving average, exponential moving averages. As it, you could almost clearly see here, kind of touched EMA 200, tried to go under, couldn't, completely reversed. Super trend changed right here. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday, Lauren. Good morning. Let's see how it goes today. We gotta stay patient and wait for the best move. I am slightly behind. I was kind of doing the numbers yesterday on the eval. Yes, I have $2,000 that I've made on it, but I should be I should be a little higher. So for me to hit that $20,000 mark, I have to hit about 1,400. Uh, every day to hit that $20 mark, $20,000 mark within the 30 days they give you. Good morning, good morning. Let's get it. Let's get it. Uh yeah. I'm gonna have to pull a move on this account, I'm telling you. I'm gonna have to do like a something I don't like, but I'm gonna have to pull a move. I've never tried to pass a 300K account, so I'm probably gonna have to do like 2 or 3 minis on a trade and hit like 4 or 5 racks off one trade just to get closer to the target because I'm $2,000. I still got $18,000 to make. The other accounts, they're fine. They're all funded. But I'm trying to focus on this eval, trying to pass this shit. Even though it was like $40 that it cost me, but we'll get it. We'll get it little by little. Y'all see. Y'all will see it. Or blow it. Or blow the account. It is what it is. one or the other is gonna happen before the end of the month. I have until February 27th. So I have about 13 days already. 13 days left. 13 or 14, whatever. Not that much time. All right. So what account are we going to trade today? I'm going to go back to that. All right. So we took a little trade on that one. Well, let's do the other Apex. Let's do this one. All right. And we're going to do one. Hold up. Hold up. Yeah, that would be 9. 9 micros on that 300K account. So almost a mini. Be risky about $900. That better be a good trade. Better be a good setup. I don't want to get cooked. ATR currently at 21. If you guys have any questions for me, feel free to put it in the chat. I'll answer them as best as I can. I'm going to start marking out some little key levels here. Y'all can mark them if you want on your screen. All right, so we're going to mark the London high. London high is at 25,421. And London low looks like it recently happened. Currently, more or less at 25,592.25, give or take. So we got the London high, the London low. We got the daily high right here. These are little key liquidity zones. Let's see how that reacts. We are above the EMAs. We are currently above VWAP, above EMA 200 on the 1 hour. Have an imbalance here. Let's see what's down here. Okay, we got all that red imbalance here, and we got some imbalance here. So I'm thinking it might want to tap this zone that it loves to tap, fill this imbalance, and maybe keep going up. Tap EMA 50. We'll see. We'll see what the market really wants to do. All right. So that was the daily high from New York session. That's where that is. I don't need to mark that. Let's mark the Asia low. All right, Asia low. More or less about here. That is 25,278. Asia low. All right. All right, so we got some levels marked out. Is there anything else there to confuse us? We can take this shit out of here. And that's the daily low. So we got the daily low at 24,955. All right, so that's where we're at. Currently, ATR is going slightly down. What the hell is this? Is this another one? Yeah, this is a rando from the other day. Let me take that out of here. All right, so we got Asia low, 25,278. London low, 25,292. London high, 25,421. And obviously, daily high is at 25,429. Some key levels of liquidity just to have marked out more or less, so you know if market gets above those or wicks into them, there should be some sort of reaction. If they close above those levels, they might want to keep going in that direction. The key is to just sit there and watch and see what it does. And when it tells you, hey, this is what it wants to do, then you listen. But you gotta stay patient. You gotta stay patient. So we did look at the news. There was news at 8:30. Not much movement. Obviously, it looks like it popped up, even though I think the news was negative. News was at 8:30. Red folders, February 10th. We got core retail sales. It looks like it came in flat. That's why there wasn't much movement. Or actually, not flat. 0.3 less. Previous point. It was previously 0.4, and it came in at 0.0. So yeah, obviously a lot worse than what they thought, but not that much worse. I guess point something is not crazy, but I don't know. Obviously, it didn't affect the NASDAQ too much. What do we got for the rest of the week? Let's see. Obviously, tomorrow we got non-farm payroll, NFP, or non-farm employment change. That's same thing. We are not going to be trading at 8:30 unless you guys jump on at 8:30. I highly recommend to be careful because this is high impact news. There should be a movement, like a big candle movement with that. So yeah, we got 3 red folders on Wednesday. We got 1 red folder on Thursday, and then Friday, 3 red folders. We got CPI, core CPI. That should be pretty volatile for sure on Friday. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. We usually trade at 9:30 anyways, so that news should be over. All this news is way before I usually trade. But that's good because it injects a lot of liquidity into the market, and it gives us some good momentum. So let's see how that goes. Let's see. Today is Tuesday. Looks like there's no more red folders or orange folders for the rest of the day. But we always got to watch out with certain tweets. Bro, am I crazy? Was this here like 2 seconds ago? I'm like half asleep. My God, take this out of here, bro. Okay. All right. 5 minute time frame, 1 hour time frame. Just in case you guys are wondering what the heck you're looking at. Alrighty. We got about 15 more minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens. Hope you guys are ready. ATR has gone down a little bit. It's at 20. So hopefully we get a good move today, man, because I'm trying to hit a banger. I'm trying to hit a banger. At least on that eval, man. I need to catch up. I did the numbers. I was like, what? Yeah, I'm behind currently. So the pressure is on. Not really pressure. I could care less, to be honest. Um, but it makes good content and it kind of shows you how I trade. So that's why I got it. 40 bucks. Worth it for you guys. Ah, man. Let's see. Let's see. ES is pumping. Everything's kind of pumping. So I want to see some sort of pullback. If you guys do trade the New York Open, just be careful. Again, it does a lot of fake outs. If you trade that 930 candle, that's gambling, man. I don't recommend it. I don't recommend it. Did you guys like that Valentine's music, or are you guys ready for Valentine's? 4 hour time frame looking bullish. Let's see, let's see. Let's see how it goes. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. Did you guys see I don't know if you guys have him on Instagram. Alex G. He's a forex swing trader who ran and streaked the Super Bowl, and then he wore Meta glasses and showed everybody the point of view of it was pretty. I think that was pretty cool. I mean, he's a wild guy. The guy makes a lot of money, and I wouldn't even say he makes a lot of money trading. I would say he makes more money from his businesses, his courses. He's a big course seller. Does he know how to trade? Possibly, but most of his money comes from courses, and his community charges him thousands of dollars. And there's always a sucker, so he's taking advantage of that. But I don't charge you guys nothing. All right, this is all free knowledge. You're welcome. No course selling here. But what he did was pretty funny. I think he placed a bet on Poly Market or one of those betting companies that there was gonna be a streaker. He he became the streaker because it was like insider trading. He made the odds in his favor. He's like, well, nobody's gonna streak. I'm gonna do it. I think he made some bread on that too. You got to give it to him. That was a good marketing ploy, good marketing move, and a good trade on his part. He finally did a good trade, but he had to manipulate it. Oh man, hilarious. Hilarious. You guys want to see the clip? Let's see if I can pull it up. Hold up. Let me see if I can pull it up. And do something a little different here. Let's see. Alex G. Let's see if it shows me. Let's see. Yeah, here you go. Here's the guy. That is who I'm talking about, in case you guys are wondering. This was him. Man, kid's crazy. They show a point of view. He had the meta glasses on. I think he posted it. Let's see. Yeah, he posted it on his thing. Let me see. I'm gonna find his point of view. So you see, he did the run. He has a point of view. His point of view is actually pretty funny. You'll see. Hold up. Let's see if I find it here. Where is this guy? Hold up. There he is. I think he puts his mugshot and everything. This was his mugshot because obviously he got arrested. But let's see. Wait a minute.
I'm on my head. I got this. I got this. Fuck yeah! Let's go! Come on! Come on! Come on! Oh, you guys got me! You guys got me! You guys got me! You guys got me!
Yeah, they got him. They got him. Wild, wild. I thought that shit was hilarious. Hilarious. You gotta give it to him for that. Gotta give it to him for that shit. This isn't the first time he does it. He did it before too. Great marketing. I think he paid like in fines, trespassing, all that, like 50K. But that guy makes stupid money. He has stupid money. 50K is like a drop in the bucket for him. Let me close that out. That was pretty funny. Good morning, Vlad. Sorry, I was looking at that video from one of a Miami trader. He does Forex though. He doesn't do the NASDAQ. He owns his own broker. That guy's doing some shit. But hey, whatever works for him. Alrighty. Market opens in about 5 minutes. Hope you guys are ready. Hope you guys are ready. Let's see what happens. Let's stay focused. Let's stay focused. Let's stay patient. We're going to wait for the 15-minute orb to pretty much tell us what direction the market wants to go in. If you're just tuning in, I did mark some levels. You can mark them if you want. I marked the London high. That's at 25,421. We got London low, 25,292. That's my 5-minute timer. It means the market opens in 5 minutes. I'm sorry. What was I? London low, 25,292. And then we got the Asia low, 25,278. So some key levels there. Obviously, we got the daily high right here, 25,429. So when price gets above these levels, there should be some sort of reaction. There should be some sort of movement. The 1 hour time frame here. Still slight imbalance up here that it might want to fill that. We'll see if it wants to completely rip through it, keep going up, fill this imbalance here. We'll see. We'll see. There's a pivot right here, a resistance, and another pivot here. So when if it gets to this zone here, we're gonna see a lot of resistance, I think. We'll see. Let's see what happens. All right, 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Stay ready, guys. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I copy trade or I just trade this one account. We'll see how it goes. But I'm thinking I want to copy trade. Hopefully it's just not choppy today. It figures the direction out because look at the 1 hour, the 4 hour time frame. If you pull up 240 minutes, which is 4 hours, chop. Every 4 hour candle. This was a beautiful pump from yesterday. Chop, 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 chop. It's been chopping, so we want to see it rip up or rip to the bottom. We need to see some movement. We don't want to see it chop because if not, it might turn into a no trade day. Don't want to be in chop, that's for sure. So back to the 1 hour time frame there. Let's see. One minute and 20 seconds left. Today, risk max 300. Don't really want to go over 200. No more than 3 trades. And no more than 2 losses. 2 losses, I'm done. On the other account, I think I'm risking 900 on the first trade. I think the max out risk, since I'm doing 100 and that one I'm doing 1,000, the max out risk on the other account is 3K. But don't want to lose more than 2K because then we're back at square one. On that eval. All right, 10 seconds. Market opens. 10 seconds. You guys ready? And market is open. All right. Oh, so want to come up and fill this imbalance here? Looks like it. Looks like I want to tap the daily high and the swing high here. Looks like it, but it could be a fake out to the down, reverse to the downside. That's the thing. You just never know. Never know with the open. The open just does what's called a whipsaw. Just wipes out all the buyers and all the sellers and does crazy whipsaw movements, eliminates everybody, and then automatically goes in the direction it wants to go in. Okay, and I think it's decided it wants to go up, or is it another fake out? It literally went all the way up, then went down, then it stayed in the middle, back in the middle again. Okay, back to indecision. Let's see. Let's see. Here we go. Figure it out, NASDAQ. Let's see. So if I look at ES, ES gives me a little peek of what it might want to do. ES is pumping. ES is going green. NQ is going down. So ES is green and NQ is red. That's not good. Okay, looks like NQ might want to tap VWAP. Remember, the purple line here for me is VWAP. That's where most banks and institutions are. And buy and sell on the 5-minute time frame here. Whoop. As we can see, there was a straight pop up. ES is pumping. ES is a green giant on the 5-minute time frame. Let's see. 15-minute time frame. Looking indecided. And so is the 4-hour time frame. Everything is pretty much indecision. Let me take that out of there. Sorry. Indecision right now. This better not be chop all day, man. Figure it out. It doesn't know if it wants to go up or down. That's crazy. 2 minutes left on this candle. Let's see what happens. I think it might at least fill this little gap here, no? This small little imbalance. It's right there. It's super close, but that doesn't mean it needs to fill it. It could go like right here, about to fill it, and then go completely down. You're like, oh, it's gonna fill it. Psych. Indecision. Hope you guys didn't take any trades, guys. Again, trading this is pure gambling. Okay. 1 minute and 20 seconds till this 5-minute candle is formed. There's some people that trade the 5-minute orb, not the 15-minute orb. And it works for them, but I think they get like 5-10 points. They're not trying to get a lot of points. So I haven't back tested it. You guys can back test it and see if it works. And if you like it and you feel confident about it, you guys could trade it, you know? But always do your homework. Look at that. It literally tapped VWAP and completely bounced right back up. Right back up. Tapped an imbalance on the 15-minute time frame and VWAP and bounces right back up. Boink. Let's see. Let's see who wins the battle here. The Bulls, the Bears. Looks like the Bears are currently winning on NASDAQ. Looks like ES is losing steam. ES is showing a huge wick on top, and NQ is a hammer. I want to go down. All right, we still got 10 more minutes to figure out to set the orb. So just sit tight, stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Let the market come to us. Let the market come to you. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. This thing is super, super undecided. I hope it doesn't, it breaks out of this range here. This is the range currently on the 1 hour. I'm going to set the range. It's currently in a range. This is the range. All right, actually, I'm going to take this off because I'm going to put on the 1 hour here a rectangle so I know. Oh my God, there we go. That is the current range of the market. So we need to see a break out of that range to see a real direction of where the market wants to go. That's the market in a range in a nutshell right there. That is not the 15-minute orb. That is just the current range, the swing high and the swing low since yesterday, 12 o'clock midnight. That's been the market. So once it breaks out of this range, we'll get another good direction of where the market wants to go, either to the down or the up. But it probably won't break out of this range until, of course, 22 minutes, till that 1 hour closes. So just because it wicks out of the range doesn't mean that's the direction it's going in. It has to close out of the range. And not that strong either. Sort of strong. This, if you know patterns, if you learn patterns, this is a massive bull flag. So when you study more and you learn more candles and candle patterns, this is known as a bull flag. Usually it's a green candlesticks, then red and green, red and green, red and green, some red down, and then there's a pop straight up. So this is known as, on the 1 hour, a bull flag. That means eventually the market might want to go up. It might pull back. It might fill this gap and then go up. So just gotta watch it. It's clearly going to the downside hard right now on every time frame. So let's see what happens. Let's see. It's going for that swing low. Maybe this imbalance down here. This imbalance on the 5-minute. There's a pivot right here. There's obviously the London low that it's about to sweep, and the Asia low. It might want to sweep that also, and then we'll see how it reacts. But for right now, shorts are in play clearly, but we gotta wait. We gotta wait. Shorts are currently in play. But it is choppy, guys. It is very choppy. So let's wait for something that hopefully doesn't chop us out. Okay. Damn, it didn't even take that bottom low out, so that's a little weird. If it doesn't tap that swing low or that London low or the Asia low, which are these two blue lines right here, and it rips all the way up, that's tricky. That's tricky because it didn't get the liquidity it really, really wanted. So it might be a fake out to the upside and then come even lower, fill all this, and then have its real move. So you just got to be careful. Yeah, that it didn't sweep this liquidity down here is strange. It should. It should at least tap. At least tap it. But market does what it wants to do, man. Market's gonna do what it wants to do. It doesn't always give you the perfect setup or a good setup or give you what you want to see. Let's see, let's see. Okay, is it gonna go for that swing low? Is it going for that swing low? We still got 4 minutes until the 15-minute orb is set, okay, guys? So just stay patient. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Oh, okay. Made a lower low. Ah, there it goes. All right, took out the London low. It has made a new low. Still, still kind of inside the range here on the 1 hour. So let's see if it gets down to the Asia low, which I believe is that the bottom of this orb or this opening range. Not this open. It's just a range, not an opening range. Mm, mm. 3 minutes. 3 minutos. It's going down. Yep, yep. It's definitely going down. You got to be careful we don't become the liquidity, though. Where is VWAP? VWAP here, and then this is an old VWAP from yesterday, the yesterday session. So it's a key zone here to be careful with. It could be a bounce. Okay. Oh, there it goes. It just swept Asia low, filling the imbalance. All right, I think we could wait, but all right, breaking to the downside. Let's see what happens. 17 minutes on the 1 hour. 17 minutes is a lot of time, guys. It could be sweeping. This could be a sweep, and then it pops up. There's a lot of buyers down here, so that's why you're gonna see a pop. But let's see if it's strong enough. It'll close down here on the 5 minute. But we have a pivot point right here. Could be a strong reaction. Then we have this other imbalance. Let's see. I mean, there's a lot of imbalances here. You might want to fill. Obviously, it has all this. Let's see how it reacts. I think this is just a liquidity sweep. It's filling all these orders that it didn't get to fill from Asia and London. Those orders down here, you see, it's having a strong reaction to the upside. It could have a V-shaped recovery. Let's see. Let's see. Stay patient. We got 1 minute to set the orb. 1 minute and 30 seconds. You can start setting it now if you want, and then it just adjust it. So this is 935. That's the high. And the lowest point currently, right there. If it goes lower, we'll adjust the orb. If it goes higher, we'll adjust. But I think that's the high and the low for now. Could change. Alrighty. I'm gonna start kind of marking it on my other screens here, so I have it all marked out. Okay. Mark it on ES also. All right. And I should mark the 15-minute candle. Let's see. Why not? Okay. 15-minute orb set. 10 seconds. That is your orb. It looks like a pretty big liquidity sweep here. Tap the swing low. All right. So how does market structure work? Swing high, swing low. Kind of swept that. Might want to do a higher high. We'll see. Imbalance right here on the 5 minute, right by the VWAP, EMA 50, EMA 21, EMA 200. So if we see something green and it closes up here before it even breaks out of the orb, and it's showing green on all the other time frames, that might be a long opportunity. That might be a long. Let's see. But let's see. It might want to dump all the way down and fill this whole imbalance. Anything is possible. Just that there's resistance here. Pivot, EMA 50. And this zone, it does like to come to this zone, so I might want to come down here. Who knows? This is a nice imbalance. It didn't get to touch. It is under VWAP, so just got to be careful with the reaction zones. That's all. Alrighty, let's see what happens. But yeah, everything right now is bearish. Bearish means it wants to go down. At least unless it shows us that it closes green above here. Not looking for any longs until I see a green candle above here. And is it going to listen to me or? We shall see. Looks like it's struggling to go lower. We'll see. I hope you guys set the orb already. 15-minute orb. How to set the 15-minute orb. You're going to look at the 935 candle on the 5-minute time frame. That's obviously the highest point right there. And then the lowest point on the 945 candle. That's the lowest. So see which way it breaks. Let's see which way it closes outside of the box. That'll tell you more or less the direction it might want to go in. It might want to go in. Not 100%. Nothing is 100%. Trade at your own risk. Not financial advice. Make sure you hit the like button. Please. So I could grow the channel, guys. I know. Every day. Just hit the like button. All right, all right, all right. Figure it out, NASDAQ. Figure it out. If it breaks out on NQ, ES is not breaking out, I'm not taking that short. I need to see both break out. Both break out. I need more confirmation. But I think it wants to go up, to be honest. I know it looks crazy to say, or maybe crazy to say that it wants to go up, but I think it wants to go up. Let's see. Maybe I'm wrong, you know. That's also a possibility. Four-hour, 15-minute, everything is pretty strong to the downside. The only one that's not super strong to the downside is ES. Oh, shit. Y'all saw that? Okay. I need to see more push down. I don't know. I'm not convinced on that short. I'm just not convinced on that short, guys. If you guys want to take that short when it breaks out, go for it. But I don't know what it is, but I'm not convinced. Not yet. Not yet. Might want to see a retest on this. ATR is at 29. Might want to see a retest on this one. And the one that I wait for a retest is the one that runs. Let's see. Let's see what happens. 20 seconds. It's about to break out. Oh, shit. Hold up. Finger on the trigger. Maybe I'll take it. I don't know. Need to see a big push to the bottom. Let's see. No, no. It didn't break. It's not breaking. It's not breaking. It's not breaking. No. Okay. No trade. No trade yet. It's still inside the orb, guys. It's still inside the orb. No trade. Okay. Reverse. Reverse. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Stay patient. Let's see. This is key right here. If this shit closes green above all these EMAs and inverses this fair value gap or imbalance, this thing might want to rip to the moon. and go reverse and go up. Let's see. Hasn't broken out of this range though. So it's just very difficult. Super choppy. Super chop. Super rangy. I'm not a great range trader, guys. So that's my weakness. That's my kryptonite. Something I need to improve on is learning how to identify the range and trade it. I'm more of a momentum trader, so we all have our thing, you know? Nobody's perfect. But I'm telling you, I've been telling you, I think this shit wants to go up. I think this is like a fake out to the bottom and it wants a V shape, like a V shape recovery to the upside. Maybe. Or it could be a complete fake out psych and then wah. ES is pumping. Let's see if NQ follows. Ooh, ES is pumping hard. Okay. This thing rips to the top. I might take a long prematurely, guys. Just because. I don't care, man. That shit looks strong. What happens if this closes up here? I might be looking for a long, guys. I'm just being real. Because I call that a
Green Giant.
That's what I call that. If it closes up here. I want to see a green and close up here in 2 minutes and 20 seconds. And then I'll take a long. Before it even breaks out. But we'll see what happens. It might not give me exactly what I want. It might freaking close freaking here, but let's see. Or it could be a complete fake out. You never know. It might be like, oh, I'm going up, and then it comes straight down and rips. So, but what my skills have taught me is this is engulfing. This isn't, if it's a green giant up to here, engulf and rejected all these sellers here. So that means a big buyer. Here it goes. This is looking like a longie, like a buy market. Let's see. Copy trader on. Balls to the wall. Balls to the wall here. 1 minute. If this thing closes strong green, bro, I'll take a long. I don't care if I lose on that. Like, that's just following my rules. This shit is going to the freaking moon, guys. Look at this freaking liquidity sweep. This shit's about to flip green. Insane. Insane. All right, 40 something seconds. This is looking very bullish, man. This is a key zone, though, man. It's scary because it's VWAP. Is it going to break through VWAP and EMA 50? We're going to go for the gusto. We're going to go for the I'm seeing what I wanted to see, guys. This is literally what I was saying. I was saying I think this shit wants to go up. This is all just bullshit to the downside. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. ATR 32. It's looking beautiful right now. Holy shit. All right. All right.
Order filled.
Let's go. I'm long. I'm long, guys. Copying all the accounts. Let's see. If it comes down and taps me out, then, bro, it is what it is. But I felt confident on that one. Let's see where we're at. This is what it is. Let's see what happens. If this shit completely reverses and wants to go down, then just shit. I don't know shit. But that shit looks like a green giant. Here we go. Let's go, baby. Can you take me to TP? Yeah. Take profit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. To the moon, baby. To the moon. You guys can take profit whenever you guys want. You don't have to wait for me. Y'all can take profit whenever you guys want. Right now, you're be up $50. It could oh shit. Oh shit, David. Damn, David. Damn. Do you know something? How do you know this stuff, David? Guys. Guys, come on, bro. Like there we go. Let's go. Let's go. You guys could close or move to break even, whatever makes you feel safe. You know, I could still lose, guys. Don't get me wrong. But you guys are in the green right now. It's up $60, up 500 on the other account, but I need to make more on this trade. Please break to the upside. It's having a struggle bus right here with this super trend. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Let's get a nice little pump. Let's get those bro, look at this shooting star right here, man. Come on. You know you want to fill this imbalance right here. Let's fill this imbalance. Let's fill this imbalance, baby. Let's fill this imbalance. Let's go. This is what happens when you guys stay patient. Sure, it didn't break out, but I told you, if it breaks through all this and closes above like a green giant, I'm going long. Okay. Okay. Oh, shit. This is about to kick in auto trail. A little more. Uh-oh. Come on. Come on. Don't run out of juice. Get up there. Let's go. Get up there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Again, you guys can close it whenever you guys want. If you don't want to stay in the torture. I think it wants to go higher. Let's go. Let's go. One and done for the day? Is it going to be a one and done? Come on, guys. Let's go. Rip. Rip. Hey, we are in the clear. We're in the clear. Can't lose. Can't lose. We are ready cha-chinging. We cannot lose at this point, guys. Even if it comes down and hits the break even, it is what it is. Probabilities. You guys can close it out right here if you guys want to. But I'm going to let it ride and see if it gets to the top. Let's see if it gets to the top, breaks out of orb. Is it going to break out of orb? We got 1 minute and 10 seconds. Or is it going to come down and tap my damn break even? We're going to find out in the next minute. All right. Come on. Come on. Break out of there. Break out of there. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it kind of tapped the daily high. It tapped the daily high on ES. So let's see if it rips higher or it starts doing its damn pullback now. So this might be a tricky spot, man. It might be a tricky spot. Thanks, David. I'm up 72. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's get them W's in the chat. Oh, no, it's coming down. No. 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 Don't go all the way down. Don't go all the way back down, NASDAQ. Go a little higher. Go a little higher. Oh, oh. And, oh. Is it going up? Is it going down? Oh, no. It might be running out of juice. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get a nice little rip. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, man. Again, you guys could have closed whenever you want, but whatever. It is what it is, guys. Let's see. Yeah, it's having a little reaction to the downside here. Hopefully it doesn't tap me out. Hopefully it doesn't tap me out. If it does, whatever. Stop me in profit. I didn't even wait for the breakout. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. It might tap me out, to be honest. ATR's at 37. It might tap me out. Yeah, yeah, not looking good. Is there more buyers or sellers? Let's see. Let's see what happens. Oh, 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 oh yeah. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Break that swing high. Break that swing high. Don't go down. Let's go. Don't do this to me, NASDAQ. Come on. Hit TP, man. Hit TP. Don't hit my stop. Don't do it. Don't do it. There you go. There you go. Let's go. To the moon, baby. To the moon. To the moon. Come on. To the moon. Come on, Green Giant. Let's get a shooting star. Let's go. Let's get that three candle. Let's hit the swing high. Let's hit the daily high. Come on. Flipper. Flip up. Flip up. There we go. 73, 74, 75. I'm in on 9 micros on the eval. I need this to get to the sky right now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Rip to the highs. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God, bro. It's slowing down. Come on. Get up there. Get up there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Look at 1 hour right here. Come on. Break out. Break out of orb. Let's go. Yeah, it's definitely it's struggling to break out of this range here, man. I just hope it doesn't tap me out and then pops to the high. But you guys can close it out whenever you guys want. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Come on, man. Let's go. Let's go. Rip to the upside. We're almost there. Come on. You could do it, NASDAQ. I believe in you. ES is coming down now. ES needs to flip green, man. ES needs to flip green. We're getting pullbacks. We're getting pullbacks. ES is dumping. Come on, don't follow. Don't follow, NQ. Be the leader. Come on. Come on. Man, there's a lot of resistance. A lot of resistance here. Struggle. The struggle bus. The struggle. Let's go, man. Figure it out. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of this range. Get out of this range. Let's get out of here. Oh, bro, it's not going to give it to me. It's just not going to give it to me right now. This zone right here is de madre. Let's get it. Come on. It's going to do it in the last 10 seconds. It's going to do it in the last 2 seconds. Come on, rip. Rip. That was a nice rip right there. Come on. Let's get a little more. Let's get a little more. Don't do this. Don't do this. It's just rip. Rip, 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 rip. Come on. It didn't make a higher high, though. It kind of ran out of juice, but it ripped like at the last second there. It still could happen. It still could happen, guys. Okay. Come on. I could hit close here, man, but I just... this shit is struggling. Let's go, man. Break the high here. Break the high. Let's go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Ugh. Oh my God, bro. What a mission. The moment I get in, it does its little pumps. Then it starts playing with my emotions. There it goes. It's coming straight from my stop loss. Y'all could have closed it up here. Just know that. I told you. Close it. I didn't tell you. You guys could do whatever you want, or you could just let it ride. You could just let it ride. Let's see. Oh my God. What a... What? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey! Whoa! Whoa! What the hell? That shit just went crazy. Y'all saw that shit? What's up? What are we at? What are we at? 1,040. 120. Beautiful. Beautiful trade, guys. Wow. What a mission, bro. That shit was struggling. Finally filled the damn gap here that it needed to fill. It was like playing with our emotions right here. Right here. Right next to my damn stop. And then all of a sudden it just went psych. There you go, David. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. All right. 1,040, 120 on the funded account. So what I need on that account, I need about 100, maybe a little 200 to get a payout. I need to make 200 to get a payout. So maybe tomorrow I'll get a payout on that. Maybe I get a payout. Show you guys. All right. Wow. And now it broke out of orb, guys. But I'm not taking the breakout because I already got paid. I already got paid. Guys, Green Giant. Green Giant. Shooting star, 1 hour close. What? There's a 1 hour imbalance that hasn't been filled. Where do you think price wants to go? This is, I'm telling you, you guys think it's gambling, but if you read the chart, it tells you what it wants to do. It didn't want to break to the downside right here. It tapped the liquidity. It tapped the London low, tapped the Asia low, got all the orders that it hasn't touched in all those different sessions and ripped. And I said it. I said, this thing doesn't want to go down. I think it's going to be a V-shaped recovery. Rewind the video. I said there's going to be a V-shaped recovery. Rah. Guys, call me Nostradamus. Call me Nostradamus at this point. Is this crazy? Is this crazy or what? Come on, bro. I'm him. I'm him, bro. I'm him. Let's say you guys took the long you were late because of the delay. Let's say instead of taking the long here, you took it here. You're still up, buddy. You're welcome. You still hit TP. Come on, man. Play with me, guys. Come on. Give me my flowers, bro. Give me my flowers. Let's get some W's in the chat. You guys hit TP? Did you guys take the trade or not? Look. Let me show you guys something. Let me show you guys another confirmation. Multiple confirmations that this shit wants to go up. Not only the green giant, right? But if you pull to the 15-minute time frame, what is this, guys? Let me see. You guys tell me. This is a red candle, right? Didn't break out of the orb. That's my boy. Good shit. Didn't break out of the orb. Waked up. Next candle, engulfing green candle, 15 minutes. Engulfed. That means it completely rejected the down sell. How am I not going to take a long right here, bro? After the candles just told me it's rejecting this. I have to, bro. I had to. It's just It follows all my rules. It follows all my rules. And there it is, guys. That was 60 points. 60 points. 60. Come on, man. Ruler. Here we go. Exit. Right here. 59.50. Whatever. 60 points, guys. 60 points. What else you guys want to learn, man? Like, honestly, it's really not that hard. You have the EMAs, EMA 50, VWAP, imbalance. It inverts the imbalance. An inversion means when it cuts right through the imbalance and closes above it. It not only closed above it strongly, it engulfed all these red candles, closed above EMA 50, closed above your EMA 21, above VWAP, above 200. Long was the move. It was just the move. If it wanted to take me out for whatever crazy reason, I would have been okay with that possibility. But it was a stronger possibility that it was going to the upside. And this thing can continue to go to the upside, just so you guys understand. Look at the 15-minute time frame. There's an imbalance up here. It could possibly continue going up, but there needs to be some sort of pullback before it goes higher. So at this moment, I would wait for some sort of retest and then, maybe come all the way down here or into orb and then see it break out again. But come on, guys, man. That was the move. It doesn't always have to show exactly breaking out of orb. If the candles are showing you what it wants to do inside of orb, like, come on. Come on. I appreciate you, Danny. I hope to be the GOAT one day. But for now, we'll start with 53 subscribers. One day I'll have 53 million. And we'll look back at these videos and be like, bro, he was the GOAT when he had 50 subscribers. Let's go. Now look at him. Now look at him. Instead of making what? Oh, there's the pullback. There's the pullback that I said. It wants to see a retest and a pullback. It might come all the way back here, retest these imbalances and EMAs. It did sweep on the 1 hour what it wanted. So if it breaks under this, it might want to chop all day. Who knows? Or it'll show a bounce once a breakout. But the move was right here, Baba. The move was right here. That was the move. Not the breakout today. This was right here. This green candle showed you everything you needed to know on the 5-minute time frame, guys. Look at this shit. Woo! It's going down. Oh, Lord. What is going on? Major pullback. Major pullback. But we already out. We already won, guys. What's up? We done. I made 1,000. I made 1,000 on the eval and 120, 118 after the fees on the funded account. We're almost at a payout, guys. I'm just saying, almost at a payout. Consistency, base hits. That's what it takes, guys. It's not about home runs. It's about getting on base every day. Take a base hit. Bop, bop. Little by little, you'll get there. Oh, man. Talk about a bounce. Bounced off EMA 50. Bounce off EMA 21. Filled that imbalance that it wanted. Tapped the big green giant imbalance. And nice little bounce to the upside. Now, what I would be looking for would be a green candle to the upside before I take a long. You know what I mean? This right here is fake, guys. This is just for entertainment. The sim count. Just so you know. But man, was that not a beautiful trade, man? Was that not bro, I love when that shit just went that shit just started going up crazy. That shit was fire. I love it when it does that shit. Oh man, look at this pullback. Lord. Is it gonna pull back to the bottom or what? Did you guys take that long with me? Because I gave you guys multiple chances. I kind of explained why I was taking the long. I know Danny got it. Vlad, did you get it? Let me know. Lauren, did you get it? Let me know. Yeah, this is gonna be a big pullback here. Might go really far down, guys. It might go to the middle. Maybe want to tap here. EMA 200 or VWAP. Might want to do that. You did. W. Hey, hey, let's go. Let's go. I'm so happy, man. That makes me feel so much better that you guys caught it. Oh, man, that makes me feel great. Because not only did I win, but you guys won too. So that's even better for me. All we do is win. Bruh, come on. Listen, I'm not perfect, right? But I might take one loss. But I'm going to win overall in the long run. In the long run, we're going to win. It's just, you know, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Congrats, guys. I'm so happy you guys won. Hey, green is green. 45, better than negative 45. Better than red. So, as you go learning, you'll start learning how to control your emotions. And that's really where it comes down to, because once you learn the strategy like me, and you got the EMAs, and you could read the candles, and you could see the confirmations. Once you know how to do that, the hardest part of trading, the hardest part is controlling your emotions and your psychology. That is the hardest part of trading, because you see it get to $80, then you see it go to zero, and you have to either hang on there, then you see it go negative 40, and then it shoots up to 100 plus. So it's such an emotional roller coaster that you're going through, and you're like, bro, or you see it get to 40 plus again, and you're like, all right, I'm just gonna take the $40, and then you see it rip to $200, and you're like, why did I close it there? You know what I mean? So it's such a strong. You have to trust your strategy. That's why I recommend you guys practice your psychology, study the strategy. When I'm off the charts, go and look at the past. Every 9:30 open, set the orb, look at the past, see how it breaks, see how it reacted to the EMAs, and be like, how many times did it hit 50 points? That's what I did for 5 years of data backwards. So when I tell you I'm taking a trade, that is all that information that I studied of what it's done. Right now, it's breaking out, by the way. This right here is a breakout. This is a retest. It bounced off. If it breaks out again, I would be looking for maybe a long. Maybe. Just not financial advice. Just saying. But anyways, do your homework, guys. Do your homework and study the strategy. My win rate is not 70+% for no reason. It's because I've tested it and it's worked for over almost 2 years now. Like, I have been trading for almost 2 years and I'm profitable. I've won more than I've lost. So you just got to stick to your rules, stick to your strategy, stay disciplined. Um, and that's the difference between a gambler and a day trader. You control risk, you stay disciplined, and you look for that perfect setup. And if your perfect setup doesn't play out, that is called probability. There's also a lose rate. There's a 70% win rate for me, but there's also a 30% lose rate. So you have to understand when you're in, you can't win them all, right? And you have to accept it. Look at this shit. This shit doesn't know what to do. It might chop here all day, guys. Just so you know. It might chop because this was a massive movement here. And it's been in the range still. It's just there's 39 minutes here until this, and this shit has been in the freaking range for hours since 12 o'clock yesterday. It's been in this freaking range. So We literally caught this little freaking swing right here because we are in the lower time frames. We are here on the 5-minute time frames. This is the 1 hour time frame. But yeah, we took this long right here. Longadongue. Pop. Knew it wanted to fill this now. Now I'm good, man. I don't need to take any more trades. You guys can take a trade if you want, but I don't recommend it. If you're up already, be done with the day. Be done. Green is green, giant. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Um, let's see what this shit wants to do. I mean, ES is pumping. You guys want me to take a fake trade? Fake trade with the sim account? For fun? For fun? We could do it. We could play around. Fake trade with the sim account. 99 micros. 99 micro contracts. This is something I probably would never do. This is honestly just for fun. And since it did this little pullback here, retested this again, bounced. If it shows me a green pop out, not too high, but a green pop out, I'd probably be looking for a little long. A little long. A little long. But again, like I said, it could chop. It could go pop, and then it wants to go down, and then it goes up, and then it goes down, goes up, and it could do that. But this was a good retest. I'll tell you that much. That wasn't bad, and a good rejection up, and then it showed a bullish pin bar right here, right? So let's see, sim account 99. Let's make sure we don't take a trade on a freaking good account or a funded account. This is monopoly money right here. We're gonna risk 99 contracts, about $11,000. Sorry, we're gonna risk about $9,000 fake money. Risk 9,000 to make 11,000. If this closes in 2 minutes green, which it looks like it is. Holy shit, that shit is pumping there. That shit is ripping. Break, retest, break again. Hope there it is. Guys, I'm just, this is what I like to do, man. This is what I like to do. Pushing a button and making stupid money. It's better than listening to a boss tell you, hey, you got to be here at this time. You got to sell this much today. And then you have to pretend like you're friends with your coworkers. Oh, man. Nah. There is actually friends that I made with coworkers. But maybe that's the best part, actually, of a job, honestly, making friends. Because the other part sucks. And making money, of course, but all the damn hours you got to put in. But let's see what happens here. Let's see, let's see, let's see. You think it's going to break out? Or is this going to run out of gas? Let's see. We got 50 seconds, and I'm going to take a fake trade on the sim account. Let's see what happens. Oh, psych! Looks like it ran out of juice. That is not good. It just turned into a chop zone. That's why we wait to the close of the candle, guys. Because look at the last 40 seconds, it just turned into a bearish candle. And you think because this was a bullish candle that it was going to flip to the green side. And this is just what happens. Now, it wants to go lower. Maybe feel more retesting here. All right. Well, I was going to take a long if it showed me my setup, but obviously it's not. So probably not going to take a trade on the sim because I don't like to lose, even if it's fake money. Sorry. I don't like to lose, even if it's fake money. And I wouldn't take a short here just because. Not after this, man. Not after this on the 1 hour. Bullish candle here. Take a short. I mean, I don't do that shit. I don't like shorts, to be honest. I don't like shorts. Look at that shit. It tapped EMA 21 and completely bounced. What a chop zone. It is a chop zone now. Anyways, well, I was going to take a trade, but forget it. Forget it. It didn't do what I wanted it to do. And that's why we react to the market. We don't try to predict it. We wait to see what we want to see. If it shows us that, then we take the trade. Yes, sir. Chop City now. Look at this. Chop, chop. But look at the move it just made. It made a complete V-shaped recovery right here. Now it needs to retest the V-shape. Probably fill half of this up to here. If it rips to the downside and closes, then it's going to go down. But if it bounce, like if it retests all this and then 50% of the range and then bounces, that shows you that, you know, that's market structure. Swing low, swing high, swing lower high, higher high. That's how market structure works. Oh man, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button if you haven't already. Make sure you hit the like button. ATR is at 43, ladies and gentlemen. That is pretty high. I don't think this knows where it wants to go right now. Looks very undecided. That is a doji. Maybe it wants to go up. I think it wants to go up. I mean, this green giant kind of told us that. Hey, look at it. Look at it. If it closes up there, we'll take along with the sim. If it closes. If it turns red again, then I'm probably going to end the stream. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I already took one win for the day. Took a long right here at 9:55. Green giant closed above all the EMAs. Ripped through an inversion on the 5-minute time frame. Saw an imbalance on the 1 hour that it might want to fill. Did do that. Took my profits right before the daily high was swept. And that made me 1,040. I'm sorry, technically 1,150 something. Yeah. How about that? How about that? All right. Let's see how this candle closes. If it closes green, I'll take a little long on the sim. But just fake money. This would be fake money. Trade at your own risk. It is kind of choppy right now, so just be careful. Be careful. Yeah, it looks like it keeps rejecting every time it gets to that top. That's not good. That's not good. Let's see. Super choppy, man. If you look at this shit on ES, it is massive chop zone. Massive chop zone on ES. Oh man. We're going all in here on the sim account. Uh-oh. Got about a minute. Let's see what this candle does. It is Chop City, so you know it could range. I could go long and it completely comes down because it's going up. There's no momentum yet. Down, up, down, up, down. It might do that all day. But if this is the green candle that closes up here and rips up, I caught it. I caught it. Caught it on the sim account. All right, that candle closes in 30 seconds. Looking weak. Looking weak. How's it looking on ES? ES looking weak too. But since we don't care and it's fake money, I'll take the long, even though it's not breaking. Why not? Just to play around, right?
Order filled.
Yeah. There we go. Even though it didn't break out, I took the long just for entertainment purposes. But it keeps bouncing at this EMA right here. You know, like if it comes down and retests VWAP, like cool. It is what it is. But yeah, I wanted more of a confirmation to the upside, but it's been trying to go down and it can't. So what happens if it doesn't want to keep coming down? It's probably gonna rip back up again. That's what I think. Or it could chop around and could stop me out. I mean, anything is possible. Anything is possible. But chances are it's gonna bounce off these EMAs here and get to this TP at 11K. Yo, this guy don't miss. He don't miss. This guy don't miss. Damn, he's at 5 racks. This guy just doesn't miss. Bro, this guy's on something else. If anybody were to watch this YouTube other than you guys, you'll be like, yo, this guy just doesn't miss. Look at he's up freaking 5 racks right now. Lord, Lord on the money. Oh Lord, here we go. It's another green giant. It's another green giant. Damn, bro, what does this guy know? This guy knows something. This guy knows something, bro. I don't know what it is, but he just knows when the market's gonna go in a certain direction. It's like freaking magic. Oh man, bro. Bounce, 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 bounce. Coño, man. Like, it's telling you, bro. 6 racks. We're at 6 racks on the sim. Let's go. Yo. Oh, man. Y'all think it's going to hit TP? I think it will, bro. Honestly. Why wouldn't it? It's already tried to go down. It didn't go down. It might want to make an equal high, but I think it wants to break that high. It makes it a little higher. Tap my TP. Probably go to the moon. I'm just saying. I don't know. This is crazy at this point, man. This is crazy at this point. Even during chop, bro. Even during chop. If I close it right now, I'll be up 5 racks. The only thing that could knock me out, I think, would be some crazy ass negative news at this point. ATR is at 43. Stop loss is 50 points from the entry. And more, I would have to drop over 100 points almost at this point. Almost to knock me out. You know? Yeah. Guys, this is not hard, man. This really isn't hard. It's just a matter of doing your homework. It's a matter of doing your homework. Look at this. Look at this. Would you look at this? Damn madre. I should have taken this with a funded account, man. Would have made 5 racks, David. You'd be done. 5 racks in 5 minutes. It's just hanging around $5,000. It's crazy. 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 Oh, it might chop and come back down. Whatever. It doesn't matter. I don't really care. It's fake money. But this is so much different when you're using real money. So much different. I'll be 100% honest. If this was real money, I probably would have closed it at 5 racks. I'll be like, I'm good with that. I'm good. But that's psychology for you guys. That is psychology for you. Look at that. It failed to go higher. It's coming down. Uh oh. Is he gonna lose on the sim account? No way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way he gonna lose on this sim account. Yeah, I guess it is Chop City, brother. Chop, choppity, chop, chop. It did make a higher high on ES, but it didn't on NQ, which is a little strange. Oh, turning red on ES now. Let's see, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. This shit gonna turn into a doji? Hey, damn. From 5K to 800 and back to 0. And back to red. Oh no! Oh no! Yeah. Yep. That's how it be sometimes. That's how it is sometimes. Messes with your head. How many points was that? I think it was like 30 something points, by the way. That long right here that I took, that long was beautiful, by the way. And it still is. Just saying. 36 points. The auto trail kicks in at 40 points. So almost kicked in the auto trail too. But that was 36 points, guys. Come on, man. And some of these traders are happy with freaking, what is it? Happy with 10, 20 points. That was 36 points. Trying to get 60 points. Doing crazy shit out here. It might stop me out. We'll see. Who cares? It is just a sim account. Currently, we already took a trade, which was at 9:55. If you logged in, you got to log in early, guys. I'm on at 9. Hit that like button. Come on. First trade. One and done. 1,040 and 120. After fees, 118. Let's go. That was done in 5, 10, 15 minutes. Less than 15 minutes made that much money. 1,150 or 160 or something. Currently in a fake monopoly money trade, just to test out a theory that I think it's going to go higher. Why do I think it's going to go higher? Bullish pin bar, shooting star pattern. I think it wants a break to the upside, man. I really do think it wants a break. But anything can happen. It could rip to the downside and then go higher. It is kind of in a chop zone right now, so. Oh no! Oh! I could have stopped it and closed it up here at, what was it, 5,000 something, maybe 6,000 I think it got up to. But we're just going to let it ride because this is monopoly money. It doesn't really matter. We already took the good trade. We already took the good trade for today. This is a lower probability trade because the move already happened. It was right here, which I took. And some of my subscribers already took it and they were green, so that's great. And this trade right here went up to 36 points, so I personally think it might chop. But I think it might get up here before it taps this low. I think. I don't know. Trade at your own risk, guys. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's up 500. Oh, it was up 500 for a millisecond there. Oof. Some people would say, so if you were to do this many contracts, some people would be like, take some partials here, which would be like close out of the 99 contracts, close like half, like 50. So you already have some profits, and then move the rest of your stop loss to break even here. So if it did come back down, you at least closed out 50 contracts at 30 something points and not have to deal with this chop pretty much. That would be the way I trade it if I was doing this many contracts and I actually cared about winning or losing on this trade. That's how I probably would trade it. A little safer, you know? Just a tad bit safer. Yeah, it's complete chop zone at this moment, at this point. If you look at all the time frames, 15-minute, all of them are kind of struggling to break out of orb. Man, it might pull to the downside now. Who knows? Who knows? Psych. Or will it go lower? It was a green. I'm sorry, it was a really strong red candle on ES, but this shit is ranging. So every time it wants to go in one direction, it ends up going in the other direction. Look at that shit. Yeah. Probably end the stream at 11. Just so you guys have a little bit more time with me. Just a little bit more. And we'll see what this does. Regardless. I think it'll probably be done by 11. If not, then I'll just close it out. Whatever happens. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit the like button so I can grow the channel. Appreciate it. Will the chop work in my favor or will it not? Let's see. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay. All right. So yeah, I mean, we're super green on the week, guys. How are we doing on the week? Here you go. Just made 1,040 today. 120 minus the fees, 118. Yesterday made 75. I think yesterday I made 3 something. So, I mean, the winning streak continues. The winning streak continues for the week. We had little trades that we lost here and there, but we ended up green on the day. So, if you can see right here, I'm trading the sim account, which is just for fun, just to see what happens. This looked like it went up to 36 points. I'm just letting it ride, see what it does. Is it going to go lower? Is it just going to move sideways all day? That's also a possibility. It could also just pop, 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 pop. It could do that all day. The market doesn't have to do anything you like. It doesn't care about what you want. And that's one thing about the market, man. Anything is possible. You just have to stick to your strategy, stick to what you studied. Like I said earlier, I took this long right here, showed me a green candle engulfing all these candles. It showed me a bullish pin bar, also known as a shooting star for me. I showed an imbalance here that it wanted to fill, that it didn't get to fill. And I figured it wanted to fill that, and it had a strong buyers, strong bull movement here. So my idea was that it wanted to go higher. I mean, it closed above all the EMAs, EMA 50, EMA 21, VWAP, which is the purple one, and EMA 200. These are all moving averages. The last 200 candles, the last 21 candles, the last 50 candles, it was above all of that movement. So it just showed me it wanted to go higher. If you look at the higher time frames, it just showed me it wanted to go higher. I didn't wait for the breakout because I didn't think I needed it. I didn't need that extra confirmation. I was okay with that confirmation right there. I was okay with that. And if that would have been a loss and it gone straight down, I would have been okay with that. Like I followed my rules on what I like to look for, even though it didn't break out of the orb. We are up almost 2 racks there. Let's see what happens. Make sure to hit the like button. Is this going to hit 11K or what, guys? Y'all think it's going to hit TP or is it going to hit my stop loss? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I think it really wants to go higher, man. I think it hasn't gone as high as it really wants to go. I'm going to bet that it wants to go higher. We'll see. We'll see. Currently fighting the top of the range. The top of orb here. It's had a hard time breaking out. Every time it wicks out, comes back down. Wicks out, comes back down. Wicked all the way up here, comes. Now look, it just broke out of it for the first time in I don't know how long. Let's see what happens. Let's see what. Oh! Oh! It's going. It's going. It's going. Let's see. Let's see if this thing goes to the moon. I think it's about to. It broke out and it doesn't want to go back down. I mean, EMA keeps moving up every time a candle closes, guys. This thing keeps popping up every time. And I see on. Look at that. Look at that. Did I get the move? Did I catch the move early? Let's go. Is it going to go back to 6,000? Let's go. Okay, we're back at 5x. Is this going to get to TP or is it going to reject at the top? I think it's going to go back up. I think it's going to go back up. I think we're going to hit TP. Sure, we were in a little bit of a chop zone, but like I said, it keeps tapping the EMAs at the bottom and bouncing. So, and it kind of on this last candle, it broke out of orb for the first time, but it's struggling to get higher. Struggling, but I think eventually it's going to get up here. It's just giving it a hard time. Oh no! It's completely reversed again. Oh no! 2,000 negative. Oh no! Or is it just doing a sweep to retest the EMAs again? This is a massive chop zone, guys. Massive chop. But look how many opportunities it told you, it gave you to pull money out. It gave you 30 something points. Gave you another on this breakout. I think it was maybe 20 something points. Now it's coming back to retest EMA 221 and completely bouncing back. Super choppy, man. This is crazy. This is wild. 1 second you're up 5,000, the next second you're down negative 2,000. Wow. Uh-oh. That candle's about to close, and it closed red. Back in the chop. Back inside orb. I mean, it could come down. It could come down and hit the stop, man. Anything is possible here. Anything is possible, and if it hits stop loss, it's gonna be one of those. Which I mean, I don't know, man. This thing could just go sideways all day, and just chop, 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 chop. Again, this is just a monopoly account, sim funded. We are just testing out a theory from this bullish candle right here. It went up 36 points. Then it broke out here, went up maybe 15, 20 points. And it's just chopping. after this massive impulse of a V-shaped recovery here. This is consolidating, in other words. Price is consolidating. Look at that rejection off EMA 21 right there. Pop back up, retested it again. Pop back up. It's going to be interesting to see what direction this chooses it really wants to go in. I think it wants to go to the top. I personally think it wants to go all the way up. Let's see. Let's see. Either way, I'm going to shut the stream off at 11. Win or lose on this. We can't stay here all day watching this shit move sideways on a damn sim account. This was just for fun. I'm going to watch this thing go sideways all day. Okay. Yep. Is it going? Is it going down?
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Oh, man.
Oh shit, not good.
Let's see if this thing wants to hit the stop. It might. It might. I mean, it's been choppy. It might want to go lower to go higher. That's usually what it does. Oh, no. Oh, oh.
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Oh, -4. Oh, it looks like it bounced off EMA 50. Let's see what happens here. Is it going to go lower or is it going to finally rip to the upside? Needed to go under this here, maybe. Maybe people had their stops right here and knocked all those stops out. Maybe. Let's see. Or it might
finish him.
Oh, let's see. Let's see what happens, guys. Or are we gonna get
Green Giant?
What do you guys think? It can go either way at this point. Okay, go at either way. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it could chop all day again. And if it gets to 11 o'clock and we're still like in the chop zone, I'm just going to close it out. Win or loss, I don't care. Just because we're not here to stay all day in a sim account. Going sideways. We already took the move of the day. It was right here. Okay. What are you going to do, NASDAQ? What are you going to do? You guys think it's going up or you guys think it's going down? What do you guys think? Or you think it's going to go sideways all day? For the rest of the day, just sideways. Look at the range it's been in. If you look at the range, this is the 1 hour time frame here. It's been in this range from here to here since midnight. Midnight all damn day going sideways. Who says it won't go sideways on the 5-minute time frame? All damn day. Easily. Easily.
Oh shit, not good.
It's hunting my stop loss, but it doesn't know that this is a fake sim funded account. Oh, oh no.
Fatality.
Oh, it just wicked. It edged it. Oh my God. Oh, is it gonna go lower? Is it gonna take it out? Oh no. Merked on the sim account. Look at that. Oh,
Stop filled.
sorry guys. Yeah, yeah. They got us. They got us. They got us. What are you gonna do? It happens. We lost in the sim count, guys. We lost 10 racks on the sim account. That's okay, because it doesn't matter. We're still up on the real accounts. All right, guys. Well, that is the rest of the day. This thing could keep dumping down. It could keep going up. It could stay in this range all day, honestly. But we took the good trade. That was at 950. It was a long. Um, appreciate you guys tuning in to Trading with David 305. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 a.m. sharp. Again, we keep the winning streak going. We've been on a winning streak almost. This will be the 5th week of the winning streak. Just so you guys know, the weekly winning streak, managing risk. Not that we haven't taken a bad trade here and there, but we ended up overall on the week in the green since I started the live streams. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button so I can keep growing the channel, keep educating people as much as possible. This chop, just chopping everybody out that was looking for a long here maybe. Luckily, we took this beautiful trade right here. That was the move, man. That was the move. And some of you caught it, so I'm really happy you guys won. Don't trade for the rest of the day. Wait till tomorrow. Look at this shit. Literally hit my stop loss on the sim account and then went straight to the moon. Hey, de madre. That's funny. All right, guys. Well, y'all have a great rest of your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you go buy those Valentine presents if you haven't already. Later.